Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker lately? Maybe climbing a single flight of stairs leaves you winded. Or perhaps you've caught yourself holding onto furniture for balance more often than you used to. It's frustrating, right? But here's the surprising part: your legs might not be losing strength simply because you're getting older. In fact, certain natural teas, backed by research, can help you restore muscle function, improve blood flow, and even boost your stamina, all without relying on pills or exhausting workouts. Today, we're exploring 3 powerful teas that have been shown to support muscle health, fight inflammation, and give you the steady energy you need to stay active well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. And if you watch until the end, I'll share one little-known tea ingredient that can supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue. Most people have never even heard of it. Let's dive in. 1. Ginger Turmeric Tea. If there's one tea that deserves the title of liquid sunshine, it's ginger turmeric tea. This warm, golden infusion isn't just beautiful to look at, it's a powerhouse of healing compounds that have been celebrated for centuries. Both ginger and turmeric have deep roots in traditional medicine, and when combined, they create a drink that comforts your body, soothes your mind, and supports your health in remarkable ways. Ginger brings a delightful spicy kick while delivering strong anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. It contains gingerols, bioactive compounds that help reduce muscle soreness, ease nausea, and improve circulation. Turmeric, on the other hand, owes its golden hue to curcumin, a potent antioxidant known for fighting inflammation, boosting immunity, and supporting joint health. Curcumin has also been studied for its potential in supporting brain function and protecting against age-related cognitive decline. When you sip on ginger turmeric tea, you're giving your body a natural defense boost. The anti-inflammatory effects can be particularly helpful for those dealing with arthritis, joint pain, or stiffness. Its warming nature also stimulates digestion, making it a perfect after-meal drink. Plus, the antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which can slow down cellular aging. To make this tea at home, you can use fresh ginger and turmeric roots or their powdered forms. Slice a few thin pieces of ginger and turmeric, simmer them in water for 10 to 15 minutes, and strain. For extra flavor and health benefits, add a pinch of black pepper. This enhances the absorption of curcumin. A drizzle of raw honey can also add sweetness and an extra antimicrobial touch. Beyond its physical health perks, ginger turmeric tea can have a calming, grounding effect. The aroma alone can lift your mood, while the warmth of the drink provides comfort on stressful days. Many people also find it beneficial for easing menstrual cramps, boosting morning energy, and aiding post-exercise recovery. Whether you drink it first thing in the morning to wake up your senses, or in the evening to unwind and relax, ginger turmeric tea is a simple, delicious way to support whole-body wellness. It's more than just a beverage, it's a daily ritual of self-care in a cup. 2. Jinseng Green Tea. Do you often feel like your energy tank is running on empty, no matter how much you rest? That's where Jinseng Green Tea steps in, nature's gentle yet powerful answer to fatigue. This blend combines 2 ancient powerhouses, the calm, antioxidant-rich benefits of green tea and the revitalizing, adaptogenic qualities of ginseng. Green tea has been celebrated for centuries, especially in Asia, for its high content of catechins, plant compounds that help fight inflammation, protect your cells from damage, and support brain health. But when you add ginseng into the mix, something remarkable happens. Ginseng is known as an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress and restore balance. It can gently stimulate your nervous system, improve circulation, and enhance mental clarity without the jittery side effects of strong coffee. One of the reasons ginseng green tea is such an energy restorer is its dual action. The mild caffeine from green tea provides a steady lift and alertness, while ginseng works on a deeper level to boost stamina, support adrenal health, and improve oxygen uptake in your cells. This means not only do you feel more awake in the moment, but over time your body becomes more resilient against daily stressors and fatigue. But energy isn't just about physical strength, it's about mental vitality too. Studies have shown that ginseng may improve cognitive function, memory, and even mood. Pairing it with green tea's natural L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation, creates a balanced boost, sharper focus, calmer nerves, and longer-lasting drive. If you're looking to make this tea a daily habit, the best time to enjoy it is in the morning or early afternoon. This way, you harness its energizing benefits without interfering with your sleep later. Simply steep high-quality green tea leaves with a slice of fresh ginseng root or a teaspoon of dried ginseng for 3 to 5 minutes. The result is a light, earthy cup that feels both soothing and invigorating. Think of ginseng green tea as a gentle push in the right direction, helping you get through long workdays, busy schedules, or just those moments when you need to feel like yourself again. It's not just a drink, it's a daily ritual for restoring balance, energy, and focus. 3. Ashwagandha Root Tea. If life's daily chaos has been leaving you feeling wired yet tired, ashwagandha root tea might be your perfect evening ritual. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, is an ancient adaptogenic herb celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years, known for helping the body adapt to stress and restore balance to the mind and body. Its name in Sanskrit even means smell of the horse, symbolizing the strength and vitality it's believed to impart. The primary way ashwagandha works is by modulating the body's stress response. It helps regulate cortisol, the main stress hormone, so your body doesn't remain in a constant fight or flight mode. Lower cortisol not only promotes calmness but also supports healthier sleep patterns. Studies suggest that regular consumption of ashwagandha can reduce anxiety, ease nervous tension, and improve sleep quality, making it ideal for anyone struggling with restlessness or insomnia. When brewed into a tea, ashwagandha has a naturally earthy and slightly bitter flavor. Many people enjoy pairing it with warming spices like cinnamon or cardamom, or blending it with chamomile for an extra sleep-promoting boost. It's often made by simmering the dried root gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the water to extract its beneficial compounds. Beyond stress and sleep, ashwagandha tea may also support brain health, helping improve focus and memory by reducing oxidative stress in brain cells. Its adaptogenic nature can also gently boost energy and stamina during the day, without the jittery spike of caffeine, because it works on restoring long-term balance rather than providing a quick, temporary surge. How to prepare ashwagandha root tea. Add 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root, or a tea bag, to a cup of water. Simmer on low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain, then sweeten with raw honey or add a splash of warm almond milk if desired. Enjoy it about an hour before bedtime for the best sleep benefits. For best results, drink ashwagandha root tea consistently, as its effects tend to build over time. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking thyroid or sedative medications, since ashwagandha can influence hormone and nervous system activity. So, if you're ready to trade your restless nights and stress-filled days for deeper sleep, calmer moods, and steady energy, let ashwagandha root tea be your evening ally, helping your mind unwind and your body truly recharge. Bonus tip: the circulation booster you've never heard of. If you really want to supercharge blood flow to your legs, consider adding hawthorn berry tea to your routine. Hawthorn improves arterial flexibility and helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscles more efficiently. This means faster recovery, less soreness, and more power in every step. And there you have it, 3 powerful teas that can restore your energy, calm your mind, and support your overall health naturally. Whether you're starting your day with a warm cup or winding down in the evening, these brews can make a real difference. Give them a try, listen to your body, and enjoy the benefits. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself.